Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Circle Direct Podcast. On today's episode, we'll be showing you how you can get or make your own gluten-free flour from a gluten-free grain. The grain we're going to be using in question for today is our rice, and not just any kind of rice. This rice is the rice we normally use for making tuwo or masa in the northern part of Nigeria. So, as you can see, the rice is basically your regular green rice, white in complexion. We're going to be blending it using this blender here. Once we blend it and it gives us a fine powder, then you can use it to make any of your cakes, your cookies, your pastries, even the popular masa. You can use this flour to also do that also. So I'm going to be demonstrating using this blender for that. Of course, today we are using our rice grain. You pour it into the blender. Ensure that you don't fill up the blender with the rice. Make it half filled so that it can be blended finely. Put the lid on it so that it doesn't allow the rice flour fly around. Blend it properly for, let's say, 10 minutes until it is fine. You can double check to ensure that every single rice grain has been properly mixed. You can use your spoon or just shake the container a bit to let off the particles that might still be stuck under, then cover and give it another blend for 2 minutes. So here we have it, our blended rice flour, gluten-free flour, which you can use for making any of your gluten-free pastries. You can use it for your cake. You can use it for your pancakes. If you want to have maybe a gluten-free pancake breakfast, you can use your rice flour for it. You can also use it for your cookies. You can use it for pastries. And also, if you want to make your masa, you can also use it for that too. And it's very fine, no particles. It's also very clean. Thank you for watching.